Hello everyone, and welcome back to TutelaGeek. On today's video, we are going to talk about the new Office 365 update that happened on the 5th of October, and if there are any major changes we should be aware of. If this is something that interests you, let's get started. From Tuesday, October the 5th, 2021, a new update became available for Microsoft 365. Spoiler alert, it's not a major change. Everything on the ribbon and tabs remains exactly where they are. It is more of a visual update than a functional one. All the Office 365 and 2019 apps are affected. Apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, etc. got the same visual update. The 5th of October is also the same day that Windows 11 and Office 2021 were unleashed on the public. If you want my take and opinion on those two, let me know down in the comments and I will get to it. First of all, let's get here by saying that this is the updated version of the Microsoft Excel, and this is a print screen I kept from one of my original videos I did on the older version. So we're going to look at them back to back and see where the changes are. One of the first things we notice at the ribbon is that the tabs are not separated from the title bar anymore. We see that this is one unified space, where here the separation is quite obvious. Over time, Microsoft has filled the Office interface with more buttons, which is a good thing. But on the other hand, it has overcrowded the title bar a little bit, which has caused other troubles. The autosave and save button are still fixed on the left of the title bar, and all the themes, if you wanted to have dark gray, black, white, or use the system settings, are still there. If you use the system settings, the theme will stay in sync with your Windows light or dark mode by default. Let's get to some of the real changes. So originally, a lot of people were confused when they saw the first images that came with Microsoft's announcement regarding this update, and that was due to the quick access bar missing from the left of the title bar, along with the autosave and save items, which now do appear up here. What is really going on is that there are options to hide the quick access toolbar and show it below the ribbon, but neither of those have been used in the original Microsoft images. So instead of having the quick access bar up here, what you need to do is come to where you actually hide and show the ribbon, press the button over here, and then you press the Show Quick Access toolbar. And the toolbar is going to show up over here, and you can press the button over here to add anything you want to have quick access to. As with many changes, there was a series of complaints regarding this new update. First of all, people were initially confused regarding the quick access bar, but that was easily resolved and settled. The next complaint had to do with the thickness of the title bar, and I'm not exactly sure if it's considerably wider or if it is the fact that there is no visual barrier between the tabs and the title bar that it makes it look very wide. As we can see, the title bar over here, I think it is a bit wider. However, I would say that this shouldn't be a big issue, because if someone is working in a very small screen, they can easily hide the ribbon along with the quick access bar to create more space from the workspace. And how we do this is by coming to the bottom right where the ribbon is, press that arrow, and we can hide the quick access toolbar, and then we can press it again and press the Show Tabs Only. And this is how we create more space in smaller screens. Another complaint had to do with the fact that people found it quite difficult to resize and move the new window due to the lack of space up here. So let's see. If we try to move this and make it smaller, we see that the name and the icons take quite a bit of space. But I think that going to the name and going next to it on the left or on the right of the name of the file is a good spot to pick it up and move it around. So I think this is not a big issue. Now, if you're wondering how you can avoid this update, I would say don't bother really. I suppose you can find an older build but it would be less safe and you would miss all the future updates. Furthermore, this update is very minimal and nothing has really changed drastically, so I believe it will be quite easy to get used to it. I only have 2 videos on the old look and everything else will be on the new one. So if you have any struggles and need help, just write it down in the comments and I will make sure to prioritize videos to help you out. That was it for today's video, short and quick. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notifications button on. See you in the next one. Bye!